Hello friends, today we look MCQ of power system on transmission and distribution. Let's start. Skin effect is only noticeable at frequency. Option 1 audio, 2 low, 3 high, 4 all. Correct answer is high. Option 3. Next one. When the power is to be transmitted over a distance of 500 km, the transmission voltage should be in the range of option 1 33 kV, 66 kV, 266 kV, 100 kV, 3 110 kV, 150 kV, 4 150 kV, 220 kV. Correct answer is 150 kV, 220 kV, option 4. नेक्स्ट वन सॉल्यूशन देखेंगे. अकॉर्डिंग टू ग्रिड स्टैंडर्ड रेगुलेशन बाय सेंट्रल इलेक्ट्रिसिटी अथॉरिटी, द मैक्सिमम परमिसिबल वैल्यू ऑफ वोल्टेज अनबैलेंस शैल बी एज स्पेसिफाइड बिलो. नॉमिनल सिस्टम voltage unbalance 765 and 400 1.5%, 220 volt 2%, 33 volt to 132 volt 3%. Next one. Which of the following is not function of substation batteries? Option 1 operating automatic control circuit, to provide supply to the excitation system, 3 emergency lighting circuit, 4 operating protective relay system. Correct answer is provide supply to the excitation system, option 2. Next one. Which are the method to increase the surge impedance loading of a transmission line? Option 1 increase in voltage level, 2 reducing length of the line, 3 addition of lumped induction in parallel out of the given. Correct answer is only 2, both 2 and 3, 3 only 1, 4 1, both 1 and 2. Correct answer is only 1, option 3. Next one. Ferranti effect on long overhead line is experienced when option 1 power system is unity, 2 line is lightly loaded, 3 line is heavily loaded, 4 line is fully loaded. Correct answer is line is lightly loaded, option 2. Next one. In a transmission system, if V is the transmission voltage, weight of copper needed is proportional to dash. Option 1 V, 2 1 by V square, 3 V square, 4 1 by V. Correct answer is 1 by V square, option 2. Next one. SCSR conductor having 7 steel stands surrounded by 25 aluminum conductors will be specified as option 1 25 by 7, 2 7 by 25, 3 50 by 15, 4 15 by 50. Correct answer is 25 by 7, option 1. Next one. Which of the following is not a method of estimating depreciation charge? Option 1 straight line method, 2 Hesley 50-50 formula, 3 diminishing value method, 4 sinking fund method. Correct answer is Hesley 50-50 formula, option 2. Next one. In river crossing, modern high voltage line have a span length of option 1 more than 200 meter but less than 400 meter, 2 more than 400 meter but less than 800 meter, 3 more than 100 meter but less than 200 meter, 4 more than 800 meter. Correct answer is more than 800 meter, option 4. Next one. If D is the diameter of an overhead transmission line conductor and T is the thickness of the ice covered over it, then the overall diameter of the ice covered conductor become option 1 D equal to D plus 3T, 2 D equal to D plus 4T, 3 D equal to D plus 1, 4 D equal to D plus 2D. Correct answer is D equal to D plus 2T, option 4. Next one. According to grid standard regulation by Central Electricity Authority, the maximum permissible value of voltage unbalanced for 220 kV line is option 1 2%, 2 1.5%, 3 4%, 4 3%. Correct answer is 2%, option 1. Next one. In power system, regulating transformer are used to control option 1 current flow, 2 electron flow, 3 load flow, 4 none of these. Correct answer is load flow, option 3. Next one. What type of insulator used at dead end and on a straight line as suspension type for voltage 3.3 kV and above? Option 1 disc insulator, 2 stay insulator, 3 strain insulator, 4 fin insulator. Correct answer is strain insulator, option 3. Next one. Sag of the conductor of a transmission line is 2 meter when span is 200 meter. Now if the height of the supporting tower is increased by 25%, sag will dash. Option 1 increase by 25%, 2 reduce by 25%, 3 reduce by 12.5%, 4 remains unchanged. Correct answer is remains unchanged, option 4. Next one. Span length. It is the shortest distance between two tower or poles is equal to WL square by T at T, where S is the sag of conductor, W is the weight of conductor, L is the span length of conductor, T is the working tension on conductor. Here in the question, height of the supporting tower is increased by 25%, which is independent of sag, hence there is no change in sag. Next question. Fill in the blank with correct option. Determine a parameter within which a cable can be used safely. Option 1 resistance, 2 insulation, 3 cable derating, 4 cable rating. Correct answer is cable rating, option 4. Next one. Which of the following option is correct regarding the advantage offered by high voltage direct current HVDC? Option 1 cost of DC circuit is low, 2 changing the voltage level is easier, 3 system control stability is high, 4 reduce line cost. Correct answer is system control stability is high, option 3. Next one. If the size of the conductor is increased, then corona effect is option 1 increased, 2 decreased, 3 no change, 4 no corona is formed. Correct answer is decreased, option 2. Thanks for watching my channel. Let's do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.